Have you ever wondered why Telegram's people nearby feature isn't showing anyone? Let's delve into the reasons. First, ensure your location settings are enabled. If they're off, the feature can't locate nearby users. Secondly, check your privacy settings. If set to block others, they won't see you either. Another reason could be network issues. A poor internet connection can disrupt the feature. Also, if you're in a less populous area, fewer users will show up nearby. Lastly, ensure you are using the latest version of Telegram. Updates can fix such issues. If those don't work, try restarting the app or your device. Sometimes, a simple refresh helps. Consider turning on Bluetooth as well. Sometimes, it enhances nearby detection. Check with friends locally, they might also be having issues. A coordinated effort helps. Lastly, reach out to Telegram support if the issue persists. They can provide specialized help. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot people nearby issues and connect with others effortlessly. Stay connected and enjoy the experience Telegram has to offer.